Hello everyone again. I wanted to show you. So today is the 13th of February, and I melted the chocolates and tried to put them in heart shape yesterday night, and today they are already good, I think. And these were some attempts that I did with the spoons. As you can see, some of them were not very good, but others are kind of cute, right? And some of them you can see it's an art, and others not so much. And I used this plastic box, and I am trying to get one of them to show, and this is how it looks like. It's not a perfect art, but I am happy with it. I will put them this way because it gets attached to the box and I don't want them to fall. So yeah, I think I will have the worst ones for me as a treat.